Good luck. Where's his water?
Here, open that. Just one small bite, okay? You don't need the whole thing.
If you eat the whole thing, it'll light you up. Even one bite, it's spicy.
Why are you quitting me? Intimidating me.
Well, nobody believe you.
We're gonna put it on YouTube and you start crying.
Hey, that's a lot, so come on.
Oh my
let's not
God.
do
Do
that.
it! You got this.
Man, before you're gonna get a stomachache.
Look, goofy.
The other half is for your brother. You eat it with
Yeah,
this.
just leave it. No, he's not gonna eat
You want
it.
some more cake?
Are you serious, man?
I'll see you to this one.
Hey. Okay, here, we're gonna take some cake.
Come up here.
It's okay.
Come here, dude. Okay, quick.
How is it?
Spicy, right?
It's aight.
Dude, I think your eyes getting red. It's burning, yeah.
Wow.
It's burning.
It takes a minute. It'll start.
It's not like a ghost pepper. Ghost pepper's like here. It's
Ghost
in the mouth.
ghost pepper. When I did the ghost pepper, it was hot, but it went away quick.
Ooh,
Habanero,
yeah. You
it's
can do
hot,
that now, man.
but it's gonna stay with you for a while. I mean, I did this on accident. Ate a whole jalapeno or habanero, and my eyes started watering. I couldn't hear. No, I could hear, but that's an exaggeration.
Yeah, we have eyes all red too, man. Look, they're burning. Why you eat that dessert? Are you serious?
Milk.
Yeah, I'm not good with the water.
You like milk?
No, I don't like milk actually.
Because milk,
Dude, your
Milk
eyes
calms
burning
the
quick,
heat.
dude, okay?
milk,
Eat. I don't know why you're not eating the
it just
dessert.
helps kill the spice.
Yeah, what else?
You want
Do you
cranberry
want me to
juice?
stop this?
Oh, yeah.